54% of US consumers say that customer experience at most companies needs improvement. So that means that more than half of US consumers think that their favorite brands could probably step it up. So when we talk about reality check, so the things like efficiency, convenience, consistency, these are table stakes. If you don't have these in place, you can't go forward.
Especially as the number of sites to be managed grows, how do we provide that consistency of experience on the back end and enable our brands and our content owners to focus on building top-notch customer experience instead of just struggling with the technology? With Site Factory, there's actually a button right on the main interface to create a new site. And it's very straightforward. It's a user-friendly process. Right? Somebody who has the appropriate permissions can go in, click the button, enter a name for the new site, and within a couple of minutes, the new site is up and running and ready for content to be added. This speaks to that separation of concerns that I mentioned before between working with the code and functionality and the platform versus working with site building. So the ability to create sites on the fly like this without involving development empowers your marketing teams to keep on moving without being limited by available bandwidth of other teams.
And so we decided to go with Acquia. We have a global site, which you see that screenshot there, but then there are 34 country sites. What we realized we needed was a working relationship with a technology partner that could really help us strategically, help overcome some of those challenges, and then also help us look to the future and bring proactive solutions. EPAM came in, and what they came in and did was they assessed our site, the health of the site, looked at opportunity areas for us to improve. They looked at what our overall strategy was and vision, and really took that and helped us figure out how do we tackle this from a technology standpoint. How do we build the right technical team, product team to support us?